Welcome back to Instables. Again, going over our intraday swing and long perspective again as we are dropping below our 10 SMA, looking to see if we will retest our 20 SMA for that possible continuation on higher, or will we possibly hold our 10 SMA from here and continue on higher. I'm going to go over exactly what we're looking for here. Again, overall, sitting within our symmetric triangle, looking for that proof of concept to the upside to get that larger reaction move here. I'm going to go over exactly what we're looking for here. Hit the like button if you enjoy, subscribe if you are new to the channel, and if you are a day trader, if you want to see pre-market news that you want to be watching, if you're looking for data sets that you want to be watching, for example, 30 minutes before market open, the market very much does react to certain data sets and you didn't know that they were coming out, or just looking for those major volatile breakouts on news that we mention every single day in the Instables room, go to instables.com in the description below, and for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert today. Again, let's jump into this one. So jumping into the spot with you guys here, again, looking at our intraday perspective off the bat here. Again, typically we do look at our daily candle structure so we can anticipate what we're looking for going into tomorrow. But as you guys can see, our 10 SMA closing just within our body candle here. Again, an inverted hammer here, but I wanted to show you guys exactly what that inverted hammer is on the 4-hour chart, and in my opinion, more clear on what exact level we're looking for to continue on lower and with room to continue on lower with, or if we do hold this level, then we can continue on higher. So again, that level specifically is here at 411 in my opinion. Again, we dropped below 411, we did hold it, but in my opinion, if we do not hold 411, we do close again a 4-hour chart candle here below this level here at 411, then in my opinion we have room to run to the downside and we can gap down into our prior gap ups that we had here. So again, that is our possible target here at 408. If we continue on below 411, that is our intraday perspective play to the downside. However, if we do hold 411, in my opinion, going into tomorrow and our 10 SMA does cross back above our 20 SMA here, then in my opinion we can get that possible bullish momentum, and in my opinion, looking for more confirmation above that SMA here will be what we're looking for. But again, that is our intraday perspective play. That's what we're looking for, in my opinion. Looking for that larger reaction move will be key here. And again, that larger reaction move, we'll be looking at our swing perspective here, looking at our weekly chart again as we do continue on higher and overextend here, retesting our upper prior balance here, looking for that possible continuation. Again, looking to see exactly how this candle closed is what we have been looking for. And again, sitting on a possible inverted hammer here, a possible gravestone doji. We'll see exactly how tomorrow's candle closes. Again, very key because this weekly chart will be closing. And if this candle does close this way, then we have one of two possibilities here. And in my opinion, a large reaction move, like I said, will come on the daily chart, which is a possible flag to the upside. Again, as we do have our body within the upper end of our prior body's gap up here. However, in my opinion, we are very much open to the possibility of any pullback here, which would be a continuation and another play to the downside at this point, in my opinion, for more confirmation. But in my opinion, again, as we do look for confirmation on the daily chart, this is what we're looking for, is exactly how this candle will close, so we know what we're looking for going into next week. Now, looking at the monthly chart again, looking at our long perspective, in my opinion, based on our weekly chart, again, as we have a pullback on the daily chart, again, as we have been looking at the psychology of what our long perspective is, and that is that we have been testing our 20-monthly moving average here. So again, with the psychology of that, we are assuming that we could have a possible rejection here, since this candle will not just close within our 20-monthly moving average like that. It will close within a possible doji candle, again, with that possible rejection. And now this is not a solid green bar like we had before. Again, now we are getting a wick. Again, as we have been testing our 20-monthly moving average for the last few days, we have been keeping that in consideration, and that's why we have been keeping that cool down in consideration. And again, if you're looking for confirmation from your long perspective here, I would be looking at our 12 EMA and our 26 EMA. If they do cross higher here on our MACD, again, very key to get that confirmation here on our long play. Again, we have been selling off throughout the duration of our last year since we crossed lower. And again, that confirmation will be key when we do cross higher. So again, that will be what we're looking for to get more confirmation on that long perspective. Now, to recap on our intraday perspective, again, looking at our 4-hour chart instead of our daily chart to look for that large reaction move that is coming very soon here, is again going to be looking to see if our 10 SMA will cross back above our 20 SMA for that possible continuation on higher. Will we get our candle above here for that possible spike, engulfing candle, and confirmation on that proof of concept to the upside? Again, that will be that play to the upside. However, if we do continue on lower here, we do continue on with a cool down. Again, as we test our prior balance high here for that possible pullback, again, that watch will be to see if our 10 SMA either crosses above our 20 SMA or if we cross below our 50 SMA, and that will be, in my opinion, that possible continuation on lower. And again, that will be dropping possibly below our ascending wedge here that we have been keeping an eye on, and confirmation on that continuation on lower. So again, the 4-hour chart very key here, as we are looking to see if we do drop down below our ascending wedge or if we do get any confirmation higher. Now again, with that said, if you are a day trader, if you're market prepping before the market opens, if you're looking for pre-market news that we have major volatile movers on, again, any pre-market news, any pre-market data that you want to be watching, we mentioned in the Instabulls room, go to instabulls.com in the description below, and for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert today again. And again, all of you Instabulls, I appreciate every one of you guys for supporting the channel. We'll see exactly how we continue here. Again, we are dropping just below our ascending wedge here. We'll see if we do continue on below and retest our 20, as again, we have not retested our 20 days since we have crossed higher here. We'll see exactly what happens. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in pre-market.